Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable the num lock key on startup or rebooting your Windows computer guys. For that, go to search menu and type registry editor. Run as administrator, click on it and click yes. In registry you just want to go to hkey local users, hkey users folder, expand it and expand the default folder and go to control panel folder in here and go to keyboard folder, click on it. We just want to see the file path of it guys. In my video I will zoom in. On right side you just want to go to initial keyboard indicator, double click on it and value data whatever having it, you just want to change this value to 2 guys. Change this value to 2 and click OK. And after changing this to close out of here and just want to restart for make changes guys, and you should good to go guys. After that you should good to go. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.